Hey, welcome to the channel. It's Seth, 22.com. So this is a new channel, so make sure to help our brother out and hit the subscribe button. Now let's jump right into the video. So with an initial investment of $10,000 into Anchor Protocol, you could be making over $5 per day on your 19% APY. But before running to Anchor Protocol to begin investing, there are some key factors that you need to consider. In this video, we will cover 5 key factors that are looked at to decide whether to invest into Anchor Protocol, not to invest into Anchor Protocol, or even how much to invest into Anchor Protocol. So we will look at the team, the revenue, the utility and user base of the protocol, the security of the protocol, and the time factor of the protocol. This is what I call the trust model, and we will use that to grade Anchor Protocol. If the trust score is high, then I will go all in and ape into the project. But if the trust score is low, then I will not touch Anchor Protocol at all. So without further ado, let's get active. As a reminder, I am only sharing my opinions, so nothing in here should be considered as financial advice. DeFi and interacting with smart contracts is one of the most riskiest part of crypto, so make sure you do your own research before investing into any DeFi project. So now a quick brief on Anchor Protocol. Anchor Protocol, according to the project's documents, is described as a decentralized savings protocol offering low volatile yields on Terra stablecoin deposits. Now, when it comes to the team members are now mentioned on the website or even in the documents. But some research on Google shows that the Terraform Labs with CEO Do Kwon were responsible for developing Anchor Protocol. So it looks like Anchor Protocol has the full support of the team that brought us the Terra blockchain. Now, in terms of revenue from their documents, Anchor Protocol is defined as a money market between lenders and borrowers. Now, in terms of utility, Anchor Protocol has a well-defined utility. Anchor Protocol acts as a money market. So it is useful for the borrowers who want to have access to the dollar value of their crypto assets like Ethereum and Luna, but they do not want to sell those assets, right? So there's a clear utility for the borrowers, and also there's another utility for the lenders who want to deposit their stable coins and gain interest payouts from that, right? So both parties are happy. Now, in terms of security, the team behind Anchor Protocol, Terraform Labs, is pretty legit. The CEO Do Kwon is also well known and well doxxed. And with many venture capitalists backing Do Kwon with millions of dollars, I would say that makes Anchor Protocol even much more legit and far from a rug pull. The team also has a good track record developing many other secure applications like Mirror Protocol with no hacks that I'm aware of so far. The team also has a web forum, a Discord, and social media pages that you could reach out to them for support. But there are 2 negatives that I see that could affect Anchor Protocol in terms of security. Number 1 is since the protocol only uses the Terra stablecoin UST, in case UST loses its peg to the dollar, then the borrowers are at risk of liquidation. And number 2 is Anchor Protocol has a governance token, the ANC token, which has a max supply of 1 billion tokens. This is good because the team cannot just mint new coins and dump the price for the ANC token. But with a low circulating supply, which is about 4 times lower than the max supply, and also the top 10 holders holding about 90% of the max supply, this could be pretty bad. Now, in terms of time, Anchor Protocol has been around for more than a year now. And a year in crypto is about 5 years in real life, all right? So I would say Anchor Protocol has earned its stripes. Now for the trust score, Anchor Protocol gets the full 10% for the team, the full 30% for the revenue, the full 10% for the utility and user base. But for security, Anchor Protocol gets 20% out of 40 for security, for the issues that I mentioned earlier on, and also for the time, Anchor Protocol gets the full 10%. So in total, that is a 90% score for Anchor Protocol. And I would consider Anchor Protocol pretty safe to invest in and also pretty safe to ape into. So I would not be scared to deposit a significant amount of my net worth into Anchor Protocol. But that is something I am doing. But that is something you need to consider for yourself, right? Because this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research. Like I said before, DeFi is the riskiest part of crypto, so make sure you do your own research as well. I have links to Anchor Protocol and their documentation in the description of this video, so check those out. But now make sure to help our brother out. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. My name is Seth, and I make DeFi content that makes you more money. So if making more money with DeFi is something you are interested in, then definitely hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications as well. And now let me know which other DeFi projects you like for me to cover in the comment section.